Finding a newly renovated property in a gated community under $500,000 is impossible, right? Guess again. Located within PGA National, this community offers a vast array of amenities for its residents. One of the bonus features of this unit is a flex room, which is currently utilized as a home office, but you can easily make it a home gym or even a third bedroom. My favorite part about this townhouse is this outdoor patio space, which has great indoor and outdoor flow, and quite frankly, has more outdoor entertaining space than some of the single-family homes in this area. I'm headed to PGA National for my tea time. If you want to see this property in person, give me a call.